Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to buy DOOT token, crypto coin. So this is their X account. Before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now let's start. So as you can see, check your their X account, and now as you can see the token is in Dix Screener. Now copy their token address, and as you can see it's under Solana network. Now I prefer to buy with Phantom Wallet because it's easy if the network is Solana. Now click on swap, and after that make sure you have enough Solana on your account. Now here paste the token address. Now this save your investment, because if you select the wrong token you will like lose your money. Now after you find it, now it's easy. Enter how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will receive. Now from here make sure to select the provider Jupiter if you like. After you click on swap, they will redirect you to Jupiter to connect to Phantom and complete the buy process. So this is how to buy DOOT token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.